Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to make the most of your Marriott Bonvoy points and redeem them for free nights at hotels, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to easily redeem your Marriott Bonvoy points for those coveted hotel stays. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Marriott Bonvoy account. Start by visiting the Marriott Bonvoy website or opening the Marriott app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your email and password. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one before you can redeem your points. Step 2. Navigate to the Use Points section. Once you're logged in, look for the search bar or the Use Points tab. This section allows you to explore available options for redeeming your points for hotel stays. Step 3. Search for your desired destination. Enter your destination, check-in, and check-out dates in the search fields. Ensure you select the appropriate filters to narrow down your hotel choices, including your budget and preferred hotel category. Step 4. Review available hotels. After entering your details, browse the list of available hotels that accept Bonvoy points. Check the number of points required for each hotel, as this can vary based on the property's category and location. Step 5. Select your hotel. Once you find a hotel that meets your needs, click on it to see more details, including the amenities, room types, and the exact number of points required for your stay. Step 6. Choose your room type. Select the room type you wish to book. On the booking page, you'll see options for both cash rates and points redemption. Ensure you choose the points option to redeem your Marriott Bonvoy points. Step 7. Confirm your booking. After selecting your room, review all details carefully. Check your travel dates, hotel policies, and ensure that the points redemption is correctly displayed. When you're ready, click Reserve or Complete Reservation to finalize your booking. Step 8. Keep track of your booking. After completing the reservation, you'll receive a confirmation email. Keep this for your records as it'll contain important information about your stay. You can also manage your booking through your Marriott Bonvoy account. By following these steps, you can successfully redeem your Marriott Bonvoy points for amazing free nights at various hotels worldwide. Happy travels! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and insights, and please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful.